Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Razorpay and Freshdesk. So the use case here is, whenever an invoice is paid in Razorpay, automatically create contact in Freshdesk. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Razorpay is an online payment gateway, whereas Freshdesk is a help desk system. The issue here is that Razorpay and Freshdesk don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software with the help of which you can transfer data from Razorpay to Freshdesk. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google, and now I will go to this URL section over here, and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section over here, and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now we are going to sign in to our account, so I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down, and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so now here we are going to create a new workflow. So I'm going to create a workflow now. Okay, so now I will give a name to this workflow, and I will name it as Razorpay to Freshdesk. I'm going to create it. So now in this workflow, we are going to integrate Razorpay with Freshdesk using Pabbly Connect. So first I am going to integrate Razorpay with Pabbly Connect, and then I will integrate Freshdesk with Pabbly Connect. So first I am going to choose Razorpay over here. Okay. Now in trigger event, according to our workflow, whenever an invoice is paid in Razorpay, we want to automatically create a contact in Freshdesk. That is why invoice paid is our trigger event over here. You can see we have various other trigger events available. You can select whichever you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the trigger event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now I'm going to click on invoice paid because this is our trigger event. So now you might have a confusion in your mind that what is this term called trigger? What is this trigger event over here? Let me tell you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when an invoice is paid in Razorpay, we want to create a contact in Freshdesk automatically. So invoice paid in Razorpay will be our trigger, whereas creating contact in Freshdesk will be our action. So now when you come down here, you can see this term called webhook URL. So after choosing the app and choosing the event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is Razorpay in this case. So you might be again confused that what is this webhook URL? Let me tell you that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook URL helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So here you can carefully read the instructions written over here. You can follow them. So I am going to copy the webhook URL from here. And now I'm going to go to my Razorpay dashboard. So this is my Razorpay account over here. So first of all, you have to choose which mode you are using. Is it test mode or is it live mode? I am going to click on test mode now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go scroll down, and here you can see settings. And now in settings, you can see the webhooks. So I'm going to click on webhooks. Okay, so here I'm going to add new webhooks. I'm going to click on this. And here you have to paste the webhook URL that you copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'll paste it over here. Secret alert email, you don't have to worry about it. In active events, I'm going to choose invoice paid. This one over here. Okay, now I'm going to create the webhook. Webhook saved successfully. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to capture the webhook response. So now here it is waiting for webhook response. That means it is time to do an invoice payment in Razorpay. So I'm going to go back to my Razorpay account. And here you can see invoices. So I'm going to click on invoices. Now before doing a payment, first we have to create an invoice. So I'm going to create an invoice first. Okay, so the invoice number that I'm going to put here is number 6789. Here I'm going to write Razorpay to Freshdesk. Okay, now billing to select a customer. So I'm going to create a new customer over here. So the customer name is going to be 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗖𝗍𝗲. Email address 𝗪𝗵𝘆15@gmail.com. Contact number. Okay, create customer. Okay, now expiry date, I'll put it as 30th November. Here I am going to select an item and 10,000 will be the price. Okay, if you want, you can also write the customer notes and terms and conditions. Now I'm going to finalize an issue. Okay. Okay, so we have created this invoice over here. Now I'm going to copy this payment link and I'm going to open it in new tab. So now we are going to do a payment. So proceed to pay 10,000. So here you can see we have various payment methods available. I am going to choose card and here I am going to put test card details. So I'll just copy this and now I'll go and I'll paste it here. Expiry, cardholder's name, 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Okay. Okay, so we have successfully done a payment of invoice over here. Now let's go to Pabbly Connect and see if it has captured the webhook response or not. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect. So you can see we have got a webhook response. Event is invoice paid, payment is done, amount is here. If you go down, you can see 𝗪𝗵𝘆15@gmail.com, number is here. And if you go further, you can see 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗖𝗍𝗲, full name is also here. So now I'm going to click on save. Okay, so here we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of Razorpay and Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to begin with our second step integration. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here. And here I'm going to choose Freshdesk. Now in action event, we want to create contact whenever an invoice is paid in Razorpay. That is why create contact will be our action event over here. You can see we have other action events available. You can select whichever you want according to your workflow. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now I'm going to click on create contact and now I'm going to connect with Freshdesk. Okay, create new or select existing credentials. Now, if you have an existing credential like this, you can just directly select them and then you can go forward. But here I'm going to click on new credentials. So here it is asking me for the API key and Freshdesk account password. So here in order to get your API key, we have to go back to our Freshdesk account. So I'll go to my Freshdesk account over here and now I'll go to my profile settings from here and you can see the API key over here. So I'm going to copy the API key and I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it over here. So now Freshdesk account password. So here you have to put in your password. I'll put it over here. Okay. Okay. So now Freshdesk subdomain. For getting your subdomain, you have to go back to your Freshdesk account. And when you see this URL, you can get your subdomain. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it. Okay, so now this API key, Freshdesk account password and this Freshdesk subdomain will help us to build a connection with Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on save. Okay, so here you can see we have these two fields and we have to fill the information from the webhook response that we have got. Okay, so now here you can see we have to map the full name. So I'm going to search for the full name, 𝗪𝗵𝘆. So here you can see customer details, name 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗖𝗍𝗲. Email, let us search for the email. Email is also here, so I'm going to put it. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So you can see we have got our API response. That means we have successfully finished our integration. Okay, so now I'm going to save it. Okay, now let's go to Freshdesk and see if a new contact called 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗖𝗍𝗲 is created there or not. So now I'll go to Freshdesk and I'll go to contacts and I'm going to search for 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Okay. So now here you can see Olivia D'Souza, a contact is created over here. You can also see the email. Now here you can see that unverified is written over here under the contact picture. So the thing here is that unless and until you send the send activation email from here, the contact won't be verified. So as soon as you click on send activation email, a mail will be sent to the concerned email, and then you have to click on the link that comes in the email, and then your contact will be verified. So here we have successfully finished our integration, and now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So now I'm going to go back to my Razorpay account and I'm going to create a new invoice. So invoice number, I'll put it as invoice 12. Description, I'll again write Razorpay to Freshdesk. Customer, I'll again create a new customer. You can also select existing customer, but the condition is that the customer should have a name. So here I'm going to make a new customer now. Okay, so the customer name is Robert Matthew. Email robert00@gmail.com. Contact number. Okay, create customer. Okay, expiry date 30th November. Item I'll add, and this time I'm going to keep the amount as 15,000. So now I'm just going to finalize an issue. Okay, so you can see we have successfully issued an invoice over here. Now I'm going to copy the payment link and I'll open it again over here. Okay, let's do the payment. I'll again choose the card, test card details. Okay, card holder's name, Robert, CVV. Okay. So you can see we have again done a payment of invoice. Now let's go to Freshdesk and see if a new contact is created there or not. So I'll go to Freshdesk. I'll go to contacts. Now let us search Robert. Okay, Robert Matthew. You can again see we have successfully created a contact when an invoice was paid in Razorpay. Here you can again see that it is unverified because I have not yet sent an activation email. As soon as you send this and you click on the link that comes with the email, your contact will be verified. So here our integration is working fine. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to show you what has happened in our example. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Razorpay to Pabbly Connect, and then from Pabbly Connect the information went to Freshdesk. So now every time an invoice is paid in Razorpay, a contact will be created in Freshdesk automatically. So we have successfully finished our integration of Razorpay and Freshdesk using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.